Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you how I made soft smooth white agidi from scratch, paired with a rich, spicy and mouth-watering catfish pepper soup. I will also share a simple trick that gives my pepper soup an extra special flavor you won't want to miss. If this is what you would love to watch, then keep watching. I started by washing my white corn thoroughly. Then I parboiled it briefly. And once the water starts boiling, I brought it down from the fire, then sieve it. After sieving, I rinse it with cold water. Then I blended and sieved it to get a smooth corn puree. If your blender is not strong, please don't use this for your agidi because this corn nearly spoiled my blender. You can use a local machine. After allowing it to settle, I poured off the excess water and cooked the corn paste, stirring continuously until it became thick. To check if it was ready, I dropped a little into cold water. Once it held its shape, I knew it was done. I then wrapped it in nylon and left it to cool down. Then for the pepper soup, I washed my catfish with hot water, and the only easiest way for me to wash my catfish is using hot water. Immediately you pour hot water, all the slimy parts start going off by itself. Please, if you have watched this far, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support truly means a lot to me. Thank you. Then I blended my fresh pepper, crayfish and onions. I poured the mixture into a pot, added water, seasoning cubes and pepper soup spices and salt, and let it boil. Please, if you are adding pepper soup spices in a pepper soup, add little, because if you add much in the pepper soup, it will become bitter when eating it. Next, I added the catfish and cooked it for about 20 minutes because I want my catfish well cooked. Finally, I added chopped scent leaves and squeezed Utazi leaf. Then I allowed it to cook for 2 more minutes. The squeezed Utazi leaves gives the pepper soup a unique flavor, slightly bitter at first, then delicious sweet and satisfying. And just like that, my rich catfish pepper soup and white agidi were ready to enjoy. Let's serve. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.